Logging into the PlanSource system in order to make your elections for this open enrollment period is actually a very simple process. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you'll see the fields for your username and your password. All Learning Care Group usernames and passwords will follow the exact same format. The username will be the first letter of your first name, the first 6 letters of your last name, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. If your last name has 6 or less letters, then it will just be the first letter of your first name, your entire last name, and then the last 4 digits of your social security number. For example, I'm going to use a test employee here named James Anderson, whose last 4 digits of his social security number are 1234. The username in this case would be JANDERS for the first 6 letters of his last name, 1234 for the last 4 digits of his social. Now, the password is going to be your date of birth in the following format. It's going to be the 4-digit year, 2-digit month, 2-digit day format. Now, our test employee here, James, has a birth date of January 1st, 1970, so therefore his password is going to be 1970 for his year of birth, 01 for his month of birth, and 01 for his day of birth. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in now. And then select Login. Now, once you log in, you have the option of viewing the video and document library, which will have overview of videos and information pertaining to the voluntary products. You can additionally see if you're a golden ticket winner by going through the enrollment process, or if you need further assistance, you can utilize the chat option on the right to speak with a Learning Care Group Enrollment Center representative. For purposes of this video, we're going to want to go through the enrollment process and find out if we're a golden ticket winner. And once you click on that image, you'll be brought to this screen here with a short introduction message letting you know about the enrollment period. To go through the enrollment process and see if you are a golden ticket winner, select the Enroll in Benefits open link here on the left-hand side. And again, what we see here is an introduction letting us know about the process we're going to go through. Once we hit the green Continue button at the bottom, we're brought here to a screen with our personal information on it. And here we can enter in our email address so we can get a copy of your confirmation statement emailed to you for your records. Additionally, you can also put in an alternate email address, such as a personal email, if you want that information being sent there for your own personal records as well. If you do notice that any of the information here is incorrect, such as your address, you will be able to fix it by downloading, filling out, and sending in the Employee Personal Data Change form in the upper right-hand corner here and sending it into your Human Resources Department. Once you've entered in an email address and verified your information here, we can go ahead and hit Continue down here at the bottom. And now we'll be brought to our dependents information. If you need to add any dependents to your record, select the blue Add Dependent button and fill in the appropriate information. Once all dependents have been added, we can hit the green button on the bottom of the screen to proceed. Now what we have is a listing of our current benefit elections that we have for this open enrollment period, which will likely just put you into the first plan that you're eligible for, whether that's the short-term disability or some other plan, again, depending on your eligibility for these products. So this screen here has this overview video about the specific benefit that you're electing, as well as pricing information for each line of coverage found down here at the bottom. Additionally, off to the right-hand side is further information about the plan, including a plan brochure up here in the upper right-hand corner, some various plan information, and as well as options to contact the Learning Care Group Enrollment Center via phone with this phone number here, or with this chat chat option here in the upper right-hand corner. Now, this process here will be the same for each of the plans that you are eligible for, whether it's the short-term, long-term disability, critical illness, or accident insurance. It will all follow this same format where you're making your elections and you're continuing through it by clicking this green continue button. And at the very end of that enrollment process, the system will be notify you if you are a golden ticket winner or not. So then after you verify all that information and you click continue here, we're once again verifying and confirming our benefit elections, making sure that everything looks the way we want it to, at which point we hit confirm. And then we can send our email confirmation to whichever email addresses that we want to. We hit send email. And then after that, we get this message here at the top that the confirmation has been completed and your confirmation has been sent to your email as well. So after you do all that, you can go back to your home screen or sign out and you'll be all set.